Alright everybody, hey, this is Thomas the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from China. This is Shizuren Energy. And this is their vegetarian beef variety. Yeah. So, got some sachet. It comes with a fork. But we've got some sachets to dump in here. It's ridiculous. So here's the noodle. I already took it out of its protective packaging. So let's put this in here. This is the first of many, many sachets. Ugh. It's already warm in this kitchen. It drives me nuts. Too warm. So how's everybody doing? I know I mentioned the other day I was going on a diet. That's been going well, let me say, just swimmingly. Although I don't swim. I don't do that. Not after that kid took the little raft floaty thing I was on when I was a kid. And I almost drowned at a birthday party. Or the time I was at school and they required that we learn to swim, and the swimming guy just left me on the side of the pool for like an hour. That wasn't very nice. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the water. Never have been. Those events definitely didn't help with that. I'd like to announce today I'm suing my childhood for lack of enjoyment of swimming. So now you know the rest of the story. Yep, these sachets just keep coming, ladies and gentlemen. They just never end. I think we got like 3 more after this one. Okay. And there's this one. Oh, looks like there's only 2 left. Oh, the little spirally thing. Okay. And then we've got this one. And there we are. That there. Alright. Yeah, that's just to like crack it open, put all the different things inside. It's kind of ridiculous, a lot of stuff. There we are. Lid. So man, let me tell you, my foot hurts bad, really bad. So I've been walking and walking and walking and walking, and they told me I had plantar fasciitis. I don't have plantar fasciitis. I've got a callus on my middle bottom of my foot that big, and like I swear to God, that thick. So I was like, okay, this rubbing a ball on my feet isn't helping for nothing. Let's see what other options there are. And I found this thing that's like, it looks like a shaver, but it's like this little cylinder on it, and it rotates. And the center is like, it's like a little belt sander. Yeah, I'm not kidding. It's pretty crazy too. Then I got this stuff that you're only supposed to put on your callus for like 8 to 15 minutes, I think it said, something like that. I haven't used it yet, but Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to whittle that monster nugget down and then it'll be a happy, happy time. But it's not a current happy, happy time. Especially since I set the timer for 5 minutes and just let it be. I'm gonna put it on 4 now. And let's do our quote of the day from the wonderful book Momofuku Ando Speaks, quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. I think the last one I did was number 42, which I'll reprise again because it's just my favorite. Whereas he says, think, and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. And number 43 is, as long as there is a will, it is possible to do a month's work in a day. So there you go. We're out 3 minutes. What should I talk about? Children being insane. Pretty standard, but they're doing pretty good. And oh, today I'm doing my shows a little early because at 1:40 I have to record my wife's grandpa, who will be turning 100 years old, and he's going to be on the radio. And he's a World War II vet. Yeah, so isn't that crazy? It's 2021, so he was born in July of 1921. That's a long time, man. Wow. He's a really nice guy too. It's like when I first met him and his wife. They were just like really, really nice, really welcoming. Sadly, her grandma died last year, year before, and he had been taking care of her for a long time, and I couldn't imagine. It's like devoting that much of your life to taking care of somebody and then that person is gone. It's like you don't have anything to do, you know? So, yeah, but he's still going. Turning 100 years old. Happy birthday to you, man. Wow. I hope I make it. I'm one of those people, I never want to die. No way. But I know it will happen someday. Nah. But what else we got going on around here? I went out walking this morning. It's a cloudy day. Been weird weather lately. We went from having like 100 degree, 90 degree, 80 degree. Now it's like it's settling around the upper 70s once this stuff burns off. And in the afternoon, it's a little mellow. So my wife got me this steel stone. It's like a copy of a rock that was made out of steel from England. That's really cool. 11th wedding anniversary. The metal is steel. The flower is the tulip, and then the jewelry is fashion jewelry. But she also made me a card, which I really like that. I'm totally way cooler with that than like going and buying one. And yeah, she's gonna take me out on Saturday. It'll be the first time we've gone out since like November of 2019. Not because of COVID, we would have gone out since, I think that was the last time. We went out to, what was that place? Cinnabar, and we watched, I think we watched, at the time it was the new, the new Terminator movie, where Arnold Schwarzenegger it's realistic because he's incredibly old. And that was fun, but it's like you're sitting there and these really nice comfy chairs, and you can order food. They come by, you push a button and they come by and you're like, yeah, I'd like to get this and this, and they bring it to you. The food's good. You know, it's a premium, but Basically a restaurant with a movie screen. And it's not like it's IMAX or anything like that. But it's cool. That's what I want to do. I want to go see the new Dune. That'll be a little while. I'm a big Dune junkie. I hope it's good. It better be good. The hype level, though, at this point, it's just like, yeah, too much hype. Alright, here's the noodle. Smelling Szechuan. Smelling pickled things. Not bad. That's tasty. I will have to say that's quite tasty. Here's the stuff. See that? There's a lot of bits and pieces in here. Well. That is a fancy flower pot of noodle. Try one more bite. Digging that. Okay. And with that, I got some Chinese sausage to go in. Stir that in a little bit. There we go. And we're gonna go with this bowl. That works. Okay. These are being pretty good. I appreciate the goodness. Yes. And now we'll go do our holy slicer activity. Right about there. No, don't fall in. I know. Come on, there it is. Right there. So I need to put this over here. This over here. This right here, bear with me folks, you right about here. I gotta say, I really like the beef flavor on this. It's pretty good. I know it's vegetarian, but it's a good vegetarian beef. Now we gotta do more touch-up. Pictures to come out looking nice. Nice as they can, at least. There's like, I do my best. I do my best. I know you could probably go to school for this kind of stuff, but I don't know. Everything that I do, I do from just messing around with stuff. Trial and error. Do some sesame. And I'm tempted to put a dumpling right there. Temptation is quickly leaving though. We'll give it a try. We'll see how it goes. One thing I haven't worked with much are dumplings. Let's see how that goes. Honestly, these dumplings are not the best in the world, but they do work. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Yeah, that was a variety from Shizuren of China. Good stuff. Their stuff's neat. I mean, they have neat graphics on the containers, like the angry bowl. It was tasty too. I really like that one. The next one I'll be doing is from an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Vifon Korean style kimchi flavor instant noodles meat kimchi from Vietnam. So that will be on the next wonderful episode. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.